Hello friends, let's proceed further where we left in our previous video. In this video we are going to create a client. Without wasting any time, just go to Spring Initializer, create config client. We don't need a server here, we need a config client. Okay, that's it. We need not to do anything else for generate projects. So my project is available. I need to just copy it from my location. I will paste it here. Extract. Delete zip, and in the config client, I'm going to run install. So it's compiled. Open it in Eclipse. File, open directory, client, select finish. Okay. And in client, we first of all go to the property files. We will first mention spring dot application name. So what name should I mention? This is a good question because as I told you in my previous video that this is the name of our client. So in this case we will write my site. My site. There can be n number of clients. And then we have to give the URI for the config server. So spring dot cloud dot config dot URI is equal to http localhost, and it's running on port number 4x8, and my server dot port is equal to, let's keep it 8585. It's just random port. And on this side we will write the, let's do one thing. First of all, let's create a Pojo class, new class, which will be holder for our property file which we have downloaded. I'm marking it as my info. Finish. And in this one we are going to take basically we need to take these property names. We have my system. So these name, YouTube and like should be there in my Pojo class. So I'll quickly create it. I'm pausing a video. Once I'll generate constructor and the methods, then I will directly let you go there without wasting any time. Thank you. So I have created this Pojo class, inserted the component for the component scanning, and then configuration property annotation with the prefix of my. So it will fetch the my properties, whichever our client is fetching from the server, and will inject it in our getter and setters. That's it. And in client configuration, we are going to add the dependency for my info. I'm going to auto wire it. Wire, okay. And here to expose this information to our end user, like right now it's me and I'm using Postman, but in future I'm going to add Angular or React application, which will directly interact with this application and fetch the data and display on a UI. So in this case, I am just writing the REST controller, okay, and quickly public my info. Let's get my info, and I'm just returning it. Return my info, and I'm adding a get mapping here. Get mapping. It's a Spring MVC annotation. We will send a GET request with this path info, and it will provide us the our properties which we have fetched from the server. Okay, let's run it. Let's start there. Starting. So my application is dead, and just checking it. So I've found that I haven't added the Spring Web dependency because I'm using the REST controller from the Spring REST, but I haven't included the dependency, so it was dying. Let's try here again. Perfect, now it's working. Let's try it. Hopefully it will work this time. What was our HTTP localhost 8585/info. Perfect, so it's working now. So what happened that from here it called the myinfo, and myinfo was, if you check the logs, that it started with this one. It was try to fetch the with profile default with name this from the server, and from server it fetched the data from this property file and injected into the myinfo class. And when we hit this one, so it all happens on the runtime. So please try to use different profiles. My basic aim is that you should be able to at least understand the idea and do the hello world kind of things, but I'll suggest you to try with the different profiles. Try to run it. If you face any challenge, let me know. I will try to help you. And in the next video, I'll show you how to use the refresh equator terminology, so that whenever you check in, you need not to restart your application at all, so that it should be automatically fetch the latest configuration from the server. Thank you, keep watching, and please subscribe my channel.